Offering full brick construction and a smart renovation inside, this villa absolutely nails the brief when it comes to quiet yet convenient location. Hi, I'm Chris Panisi, proudly representing Pello on the northern suburbs, and it's an absolute honour today to show you through this villa here in the heart of Denistone. Let's go and take a look. Offering a wonderful low maintenance home for both young families and downsizers alike, this home's ready to enjoy from day one. With smart renovated interiors including new timber flooring, fully renovated bathrooms and smart updates to the kitchen, you don't need to do anything except for unpack and enjoy. So here it is, villas that are this quiet, this convenient, and ready to move in from day one are very hard to come by. If I can help you with any inquiries, feel free to get in touch. Otherwise, we look forward to meeting you at our upcoming open home.